Welcome to the 4-Minute Morning, as today is Monday, the 26th day of March. My name is Derek. Everything like always within your own risk, own reward. Silver on the daily time frame, breaking out above its 18 average of highs. And we'll see if this attempt is able to revert this trend after it's been going sideways since early February. The dollar index is breaking down below its 18 average of lows after it's been going sideways since, well, early February as well. And gold is showing nice continuation from the break on Friday on the newly rising 18 average as it's attempting to get closer to the previous high between 1360 and 1365. This high is about $10 higher from last July at 2 Julys rather, 1375. With resistance completed between 1390 and 1430 now on this monthly time frame. It's a nice little pattern breaking above this resistance. It could happen relatively soon, showing it on this time frame. The Dow Jones, this is delay data, and it's 9:42 a.m. Eastern as I'm recording this. Well, it's gapped up 400 points, so it's going to be up here somewhere. It's, of course, went well below its 18 average, and previous resistance is in around the 2000 level, up to about 24,700. And with today being crypto day, let's take a look at Bitcoin. And at 81.39, its price action is now hanging in below the 18 average of lows. The 18 average of lows is 82.06 right now, so it's practically there. Yes, it can pierce below it. We got support at 79.61, and it can even pierce below that a bit from 78. It made a higher low back in February at the 6,000 level. And when I say higher low, that's because I'm going to show the long-term time frame after this. Then it made a higher low on the shorter term to this low from this point. It still technically can, but after making this high following a double top formation, this lower high, if you have a breakdown and this level doesn't hold, or it holds to weak support, which means it just goes sideways or maybe rallies up to 8,000 or something like that, and then it falls below, then we're going to be talking about making a possible lower low to this, or that's where it's going to be rebounding from, because where this thing is going to bottom or when, I really have no idea towards that fact. And if it is able to hold this area, even find support at 74, manage to get above this and show some bullish patterns and eventually get above the double top highs at the 11.7 area, then that would be probably enough fuel, quote unquote, to have this thing go very, very good. But as it stands right now, 8,100 at the bottom end of the 18 lows. You can draw uptrends up here. You can obviously draw the downtrends now on the very long-term time frame. And I'll use a 15-day time frame showing how this move, it was its first price correctionary play since its low band flattening out. And therefore, there could be potential for that price objective of 3,000 to come into play. But just like shown in the daily, if it can get above and hold above this area around the 13,000, then this correctionary move coming from where it came from has the potential for major high gains based on the logarithmic moves it has been having historically. Thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a magnificent day and week. Bye-bye.